Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel LiQWYD. Today my project is Click Me Game using Code.org app lab. Let's move on to the video. In the design part, I have used two screens, screen start and screen play. In screen start and one label for heading and a start button. In screen play, two labels for score and one button for clicking the Click Me button and a background picture. Let's move on to the coding part. Starting the code with on event. By clicking the start button, set screen to screen play and a variable x is equals to 0. One more on event. By clicking the click button, set position of click button to random number and variable x is equals to x plus 1, setting the number x in. Label print for score. This variable x is the score. Time loop 2000. Variable x is equals to x minus 1. Setting this score number x in label print. That's all. Let's play the game in the app. The app link is in the description. If you want to do this app, join Wingy. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Muhammad Adyan from Wingy Robotics.
Oh